All right, so let's talk about the phase meter on the Moku and how it's implemented. So you can see if I open the phase meter, I've got two input channels. And so what you can see is it's measuring the frequency, amplitude, and phase information. And what you need to do with the phase meter, though, is you need to give it a frequency to lock onto. So you can either have it automatically detect that frequency via a phase lock loop, or you can just tell it what frequency to lock onto. So I'm going to do auto, but you can see it's already close to 10 megahertz. It's detecting via PLL that we are locking onto a 10 megahertz signal. And you can see that down here. I'm going to make sure our bandwidth is sufficient. And you can see our frequency, phase, and amplitude information. And we can plot that information in real time as well. So this is on the input side. So now how do we generate a phase locked signal using the phase meter? Well, I can go over here to the output. And well, I'm already generating it. So you can enable and disable the output. Output A here, we're going to turn that on. And you see that if I turn the lock off, it's locking on at 1 megahertz. So if I pull up my oscilloscope screen, you can see that there's just a 1 megahertz signal that's just scrolling by in the background here. So how we turn the lock on is we go over here to frequency. There's this button that says lock. We click on it. We're going to change this just for a second. And you can see that we've this text appear on the screen that says phase locked to output. So this is great, because now we can look at our oscilloscope again, and we can see that we are indeed phase locking onto the input signal.